weekend, I get to be with the other drunk monkey. What's up, Clyde?
Living the dream.
Hope you're feeling better.
Getting there.
Good,
Slowly.
good. So what we're going to do today is Clyde has something he's going to open. What do you got?
It's from Volunteer Audio. It's a sound system for my 09 CBL Ultra Classic. So, I have no idea what's in the box. Can't remember what I ordered. But, hey, we're going to find out. It could be a bunch of packing popcorn for all I know.
Old microwave.
Yeah. Or really.
All right. Well, we'll get to it. You guys can see what we see when we see it. Well, a little after we see it.
Yeah,
but.
right.
All right, we're going to get to it.
All right, we're rolling. You're the star of this one.
Yippee.
Let's get to open.
All right, here we go. Volunteer Audio. Let's see what they gave us. Well, didn't give us. They gave us Jack.
I was going to say, you paid pretty good money for that.
Yeah. I don't remember exactly, but I think it was around $3,000. Oh yeah, there's packing popcorn.
Yay. We'll have fun with that later.
Oh man.
Especially when the puppies get to it.
Exactly.
Ah, you got speakers. I see speakers.
Okay, so first,
We'll get a good. I'll flip them over. Let's see what's on the other side. There we go. SBL show Hertz 200 watt coaxial speakers.
yeah,
Those look like fairing speakers, huh?
Yeah. Without dimensions, got me. Yeah, they're round.
Yep.
Okay.
Cool.
One down.
Speaker pod adapters.
Yep. Again for the fairing. Gotta hate this stuff. Okay,
This is what it's all about right here.
so this head unit is stepped because of it being an 09.
It has a single den.
Exactly.
And you're going to, what size screen is that?
I believe it's 7
inch?
I believe.
Yep, 7 inch. Awesome.
And then, the difference is all the indicator lights will no longer be active on the dash of the fairing. They'll transfer up to here.
Yeah, because on the dash it's right here.
Exactly.
So
Yeah,
this would cover that.
Right.
And they actually give you the indicators on the head unit.
Yep.
And I have the SoundStream Reserve for my 2018 Street Glide.
And that's the full unit.
And it's the full unit. And right after I installed mine, they came out with this.
Right.
And that's what got you interested.
Exactly. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you were telling me about it. It's like, wow.
So it has Bluetooth connectivity. It has, you can do Android Auto. You can do Apple CarPlay.
Yep.
It has Sirius XM built in.
Well, I don't know if I have. Is it built in?
I think they are now.
I didn't know if you had to get a separate module for that.
Yeah, the viewers could check Volunteer Audio's website for technical specs, but I do believe they are coming with the XM.
Cool.
The model I have, you had to buy a separate module for it.
Well, I've got Sirius XM on the old system, and that has the module.
Yeah.
All right, now these would be the saddlebag speakers. So I'm going to have two in the fairing. I've got the two pods by the tour pack, base of the tour pack, and then I'll have 2 in the.
So you don't currently have speakers in your
I don't
saddlebags.
No.
So we're gonna have to do some cutting on your lids.
Yes, we are.
Well, I know a guy that can paint them if we mess the paint up.
Well, that's part of the reason I'm looking forward to this, because the lid on the right side has already got a big gouge in it.
Nice gouge, yeah. Well, that's one way to fix it.
Yeah. Put $3,000.
Put more tunes in.
All right, now, this is a speaker grill.
Yep, that's for your fairing.
Yeah, batwing fairing. Somewhere in here is going to be an amp.
That looks like a.
Oh, it's a cutout for the cutout kit for the lids.
Nice. Boy, you went all out. I'm too cheap to do all that.
Well,
I just get my saws all and.
I reached out to Volunteer Audio. I forget the gentleman's name, but I told him what I had, and I said, "Give me everything." I actually wanted to add lower fairing speakers, and he recommended not doing that because it would bring too much treble.
Yeah.
And he said, just go with the 4 in the back and then the 2 in the upper fairing. The harness kit, which is separate. And more harness connections.
That might be for your.
Looks like a splitter speaker, 3-way split speaker, I guess.
Yeah, that's for your saddlebag to run this wires back to your saddlebags. Okay. Yeah. Probably going to run those off of your the seat pods.
I even bought a phase meter.
Oh, I have one of those.
Do you?
Yeah.
Now we have 2.
Now we have 2.
I can't read that. Tour pack speaker or something or there.
Let's see. That's just be another speaker harness or something.
And USB interface.
Yeah, that's your. That's so you can have wireless. Android Auto. Oh, so you don't have to plug your phone into it.
Cool, great.
Yeah, that's what I have. Remember, because my phone is sitting up in the cradle.
Right.
The only thing I have it plugged in for is to charge it. Yeah.
So if I was to go like with the breakout, I have wireless charge.
Yeah.
So if I was to install that kind of mount, then I'd have no wires.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep. Throw your phone on, and when you get off, you just grab it and go.
Right. This. I was saying, man, there's got to be an amp in here somewhere.
That looks like it might be the
fancy amplifier.
All right. And you had to get the amplifier because your factory system is an amplified system.
Yeah, it has.
We're gonna have to gut it completely.
The CBO has the Harman Kardon amp under the tour pack, and it is non-compatible with any sound system other than the factory.
Yeah.
Because I tried that Rockford and got it to power up, no problem, installed it, everything went great. Couldn't get it to play music. Reached out to Rockford and the guy asked me, he says, is your bike a CBO? And I said, yes. He goes, that's why. He says, it can't work.
Thanks, Harley.
Yeah, exactly. If you like the videos, click the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified every time I post another video.
Yeah, and if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down in the comment section below.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
We got some big things planned for this summer. Hopefully be able to do a couple of giveaways. Work on some projects that you guys will be able to own. So
Yes. Leave the comments and we'll get back to you. Be sure to check out our website because we posted some merch. Go to drunkmonkeygarage.com. Check us out.
So that about does it for today's video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Hit the bell notification for future videos. You're not going to want to miss this install. We're going to tear his bike completely apart.
Yes, we are. We appreciate you guys all watching our videos. We really do. It matters a lot. Thank you.
All right. And as always, until next time, cheers.
Cheers.